Consul General of the Russian Federation in New York City, Mr. Sergei Ovsyannikov.
Good evening. There is a special letter of congratulations to our event from Ambassador Antonov, Ambassador of Russia to the United States of America. Dear ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and participants of the Tatar Song Festival Uzgere Zhele. The new year of 2020 will mark many anniversaries. 75 years since the victory in the Great Patriotic War, the establishment of the United States, and the 100th anniversary of the Republic of Tatarstan, which today's concert celebrates. Russia is a multinational country, and all of its regions are unique in their own way. The Republic of Tatarstan is one of the most economically developed regions of the Russian Federation. Rich and diverse culture of Tatarstan, which is located at the juncture of the Eastern and the Western civilizations, dates back to the ancient times. Its capital, Kazan, is the home city of renowned singer Fyodor Shaliapin, and it's no coincidence that singing traditions define the musical heritage of this republic. Its history has been passed from one generation to another through folk songs that charm the audience with their distinctive character up to this day. It is heartening that the Tatar song can now be heard in the legendary Carnegie Hall, which was opened back in 1891 by the concert of the great Russian composer Pyotr Tchaikovsky. I hope that such festivals will become a good tradition and will be held here regularly, increasing the interest of Americans to the cultural heritage of the peoples of Russia. I wish every success to the organizers of this event and a pleasant evening to the guests. Ambassador Antonov. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. Thank you.